My name is Brennan Dates. I grew up in a small town of 1,200 people. I am a chef, travels and works on super yachts around the world, and when I'm not doing that, I'm riding my motorcycle around the world. I couldn't imagine not doing it.
Why are you laughing?
Feed me, feed me.
Love you, man. What are we going to do, Alex? What's up, man? Hey, Chef, how's it going?
Oh, yeah. Barcelona.
I don't want this meal to end. I'm getting full and drunk. Hello, everyone. Welcome to this week's edition of Get the Fork Out. You always regret the things that you didn't do, not the things you did. Roll the dice. Roll the fucking dice. Oh, that's a good video right there.